You've been waiting for this movie. The call of the year from Jay Claver was 24 hours ago. It couldn't be more crazy than this. 50 to 100 XRP as soon as these ETFs hit. This is the first US-approved XRP ETF. It's right here. All that's left is for it to start, which will mean the beginning of something. No one is ready for this, so you better buckle up and turn up the noise. This is how the floodgates open. Please click the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. The more thumbs up we get, the better. Hey, the more YouTube promotes the video, the better. That's the best way to help the channel, and it's free. I can't talk if you expect to join the channel as a member for less than the cost of a coffee. Hey, click the join button below right now. Let's get right to it. What you see on your screen, let's start with the latest news. It has been accepted for listing on the NASDAQ. This is straight from the top of the Canary XRP ETF. You heard that right. The Canary XRP ETF has been given the go-ahead to be listed on the NASDAQ. We saw it. This is the first spot ETF to be listed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Canary Capital CEO Stephen McClurg came next. This fund will trade under the symbol XRPC, and trading could begin at any time today, tomorrow, or even today. This is not a rumor. This isn't maybe next quarter XRP will now be in the financial spotlight along with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, HBAR, and Litecoin as soon as the bell rings. Now is the time for those of us who own XRP. We've been planning trips and waiting for more than 10 years now. Let's move on to this because this is where things get crazy on the DTC. You can see that they are now showing 1,111 live pre-launch XRP ETF tickers. This is up from 7 a week ago. It's now at 11 and will keep going up. It's going to keep going. There will be more than 20 and they will come in hot and very quickly. There are 4 new ads, all of which appear right before or right after the end of the month. This alone should tell you everything you need to know about the market, right? We're no longer looking at a if. We always watch the rollout of new ETFs happen live if we got one. It's not just an ETF boom, right? This is moving money around. That's what you see. November is almost over, and crypto history will remember it as the ignition point. As always, make sure you're signed up for the email. It's free, and the link is below every YouTube video. There are 2 ways to join, and if you've been saving XRP and watching the news for the big move, now is the time. This is the truth. A lot of people missed it because they weren't planning to be on this call. It's a video call. I'll tell you exactly where to stand before the next wave comes. We understand if you don't want to be in the movie, please do not turn on the camera. I'll see you. We'll look at your current plan, your goals, and what smart money is doing right now. You'll leave with a clear, personalized roadmap. No hype or guesswork, just real crypto plans that work. People, schedule that one-on-one call right now before the next part starts. This gets us to an article that was just posted on XRP. Its title is, How High Can the XRP Price Go? That's the big question. What everyone wants to know. Analysts have used each of the clouds and have never seen anything like this bullish shape on the 3-month chart for XRP. Don't look at the daily, 4-hour, or weekly charts. Instead, pay attention to the charts with longer time frames. We're going to get the expert right now, Matt Hughes. He says that XRP has been trading above the conversion line and baseline for almost a year. I told you that the last time XRP went through an explosion was in November 2024 when it went up 700% from November to January 2025. What does he want? Other analysts, like Crypto Kayla, I think I said that correctly, say that the first move could be all the way up to above $8 with resistance all the way up to $12 XRP. This is before the ETF catalyst even happened. This is the same pattern that drove XRP's 2017 rally. All of these technical indicators are blinking green, which means go. But it's not just the charts, right? This is also the case with Ripple's relationships, acquisitions, and global payment integrations. They are all getting ready to approve the ETF. Okay, that might be the lights that set this whole thing on fire. And here's Jake on his live show not long ago. I mean, this is new. It's hot off the press. Let's try to get the browser to full screen so you can see everything. People asked him how much Etf'S cost. He was also asked about the facts Tin Hat Little. Pay attention. He says that ETFs might go live on Halloween on the Julian calendar, and then everything will change. Stay focused and follow your plan. Stay humble and blessed, man. Thank you. Yeah, I'm a little more straw hat for you guys this week than I usually am. No, my wife took it away after we dressed up for Halloween. Yes, that's right. 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Now we're in 2020, the 9th month, which is September on our calendar, but November in Latin America. So maybe something on the 13th with the ETFs going live and everything else. It will be interesting to see how things go here. Thanks a lot for being at the 1,113 Super Chat, my man. We both hope that you have a great week. We got a Kinsey Mac with family ties. That's it, Kinsey Mac. Please excuse me. My family would not be in a good place. We'd be lost without you. Thank you for the ETFs that could go live this week. Still think in terms of $50 to $100 with ETFs. Sal, I'm really looking forward to how things go from here on out. We told you to look 50. He even said maybe even 100, which isn't just talk. It's math's. Institutional liquidity starts to flow through XRP-based ETFs like it did with Bitcoin futures and spot ETFs. This means that billions of dollars in volume are coming in and suck up all the XRP supply. You'll see that there isn't much out there, but there is a lot of XRP. You need to know the difference between the XRP that has been created and the XRP that is available on markets and over-the-counter trades. The stock that is released is not the real supply or the full supply. Keep in mind that there is a big difference, but now we come to Bitcoin's rival, Sam Cholera, who from Orange BTC said that Bitcoin is setting itself apart from the other cryptocurrencies. He also said that Bitcoin would be the most popular cryptocurrency. It's going up, but that's what always happens before all the coins burst. We are going to listen to this, but keep in mind that you want Bitcoin to go as high as it can go. It's been said that as Bitcoin goes up, more money comes into crypto, and that money will then spread out into other cryptocurrencies. Let's say that Bitcoin hits $3.5 trillion. Your all clean won't be as big if there were 6, 7, or 8 trillion dollars in the markets. That's why the more Bitcoin goes up, the better it is for you all. It has taken a big drop since the beginning of October, but Ether did even worse. At the end of the summer, it did better than Bitcoin so far this year. Bitcoin is up 13% since January, but he's only up 6%. Do you think Bitcoin will do better than Etf'S and other cryptocurrencies by the end of the year? I do, because I believe Bitcoin is going to be different from other cryptocurrencies. This is a different kind of cryptocurrency, so I think it's becoming more and more seen as an asset that institutions can trust. It's not the same protection guarantees. It's a different way to reach an agreement. These other tools are more proof of stake and proof of work, while this one is proof of work. There is a history of Bitcoin. It has never been hacked. Never before has it been safer.